How to set up Airtel family data sharing between lines. Step 1. Buy or activate a family plan package. Your line becomes the master line the moment you purchase a family plan package. This is the line that owns and controls the whole plan. So it has to be your main active Airtel line. Step 2. Dial the registration code from your master line. Once you have brought the package, dial star 141 hash from the same master line, not from any of the numbers you want to add. This part only works from the line that owns the plan. Step 3. Add your family members as dependents. Follow the prompts on your screen and enter the Airtel numbers of your family members you want to add. You can add up to 5 dependents to one master line. Step 4. Allocate data to each dependent. Still from a master line. Decide how much data each person gets out of your total package. You are in full control of the split, so you can give one person more and another less. Step 5. Confirm and let everyone start using their share. Once you have allocated the data, each dependent gets access to their portion straight on their own line, along with their share of any bonus minutes or SMS that came with the package.